Welcome back to Living 808. It's tax season, and one of the most important decisions you'll face is whether to go at it alone or have a tax professional help you file your taxes. Trisha Drago from Happy Tax joins us now to talk about why you might want to consider your options carefully. Trisha, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.
I don't know why anybody would want to do this themselves,
Right.
but tell us why you think it's important to hire someone who knows what they're doing.
Well, there's two types of people. The people that go at it themselves, and then there's people who can't stand taxes and want someone professional to do it for them. Even that being said, getting your taxes done, whether you're using your own self or having someone prepare it for you, a lot of people don't realize that. That means 60% of people preparing taxes are not licensed. So mistakes are made, and when that happens, it can be costly because you'll get hit with a letter from the IRS and a balance due notice, or if a software glitches and the numbers aren't carried over properly, you're left holding the bag as a taxpayer. It's important to use a licensed professional so that you can guarantee the accuracy of your filing, and with Happy Tax, we do provide that guarantee.
Great. So you've got that peace of mind,
Yes.
right? Also, I'm guessing people may not want to hire a professional because it costs money to do so. But in reality, because they're aware of the rules and the laws, they may actually end up saving you money.
Right, and tax laws are constantly changing, and some of it is very antiquated, but the biggest buzz in the news is the recent tax reform, so there's a lot of misunderstanding about that, so we can help guide you through how that impacts you as a taxpayer.
Great. Tell us a little bit about Happy Tax and what makes your business different from others out there.
So I was really excited to bring Happy Tax to the islands because I know there's often a shortage of tax preparers. People panic if they can't get an appointment and the tax preparers don't answer the phone. So what makes us different is we bring convenience and technology to getting your taxes done. So we can come to you or you can come to us. We can meet you at Starbucks on your lunch break, at your job, at your home, wherever it's convenient. And we use a segregated approach to getting your taxes prepared. So our customer service reps will come and gather your tax information, and then our licensed professionals will actually go to work preparing your taxes. So we focus on what we do best. A lot of tax preparers aren't really that great with customer service, or they don't like talking to customers. They'd rather just do the tax part of it. So we can separate those duties to bring value and convenience to our clients.
I love that. That sounds great. And the fact that you will come to us and meet us in a place that's convenient for us,
Yes.
That's huge. Can Happy Tax benefit businesses?
Yes, so we can benefit businesses two ways. One is we do business tax filings, so corporations, partnerships. There's a lot of small businesses in Hawaii that 95% of them have 5 employees or less, so they're filing Schedule Cs on their individual tax returns. But we also have franchise opportunities available. So if you are a financial person, a CPA or bookkeeper, and you want to scale your business, but you're killing yourself at tax season, there's only so many hours in the day. So scaling your business by letting our tax pros service your clients would benefit a small business owner to add some extra revenue stream.
Okay, now I know the filing deadline is right around the corner, and it's not too late to call you guys?
No, it's not. April 17th this year is the tax deadline to file on time, but you can always file an extension if you're under a crunch. But don't wait to the last minute, because then you may be subject to delay or extension.
Okay. Where can people get more information on Happy Tax?
So there's several ways. Yelp, we're on Yelp if you search for Happy Tax, Facebook. And you can also go to hawaii.happytax.com for more information. And we're also sponsoring a charity called White Orange Youth. We're doing a fundraiser event on March 24th at Kuwork in town. And you can make an appointment by joining going to Eventbrite and searching for Happy Tax.
Great. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for having me.
Very helpful. I know just hearing the word tax season, tax, it causes a lot of anxiety and stress in a lot of people, but it's nice to know that there are businesses out there that can really help with that. So thank you very much, Trisha. Thank you. We have got much more coming up on Living 808 when we come back. Stay with us.